Hi, I am Vimalaswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. Find dy by dx if x equal to e power theta into theta plus 1 by theta, y equal to e power minus theta into theta minus 1 by theta. It is a NCERT exemplar question. It is JEE mains question also. So find dy by dx. For that it is given as x equal to, so here you have to divide. So here x, here y. Y equal to e power minus theta into theta minus 1 by theta. Here x equal to e power theta into theta plus 1 by theta. First we have to find, here it is, what are the parameters, x and theta. So first dx by dt. So e power theta you keep like that. Then here 1 minus 1 by theta square. Then plus here e power theta. Therefore e power theta into theta plus 1 by theta. Here next dy by d theta. Dy by d theta, that is equal to, here e power minus theta. Here theta is 1 minus, here minus minus plus, so 1 by theta square. Then keep theta minus 1 by theta is constant and e power minus theta, therefore that is equal to minus e power minus theta, theta minus 1 by theta, theta minus 1 by theta. Now we have to find dy by dx, that is equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx. So first here y, that is equal to, here e power minus theta is common, so I take it as outside, e power minus theta. So 1 plus 1 by theta square plus theta minus 1 by theta. Here minus is having, so minus, so you have to change minus theta, here plus 1 by theta. So here this one is over. Then here dy by dx, this one, and then here x, that is equal to e power theta is common here, therefore we take e power theta outside. So 1 minus 1 by theta square plus theta plus 1 by theta, theta plus 1 by theta. Here next dy by dx, so e power minus theta, this also e power, if I bring to the numerator, this minus, therefore e power minus 2 theta. Then here theta square is the LCM, so I take it as theta square. Here theta square plus 1 minus theta cube plus theta. Here in the denominator what you get is e power my theta we bring to the numerator, therefore here theta square, therefore theta square minus 1 plus theta cube plus theta cube plus theta divided by theta square. Now theta square get cancelled. Then what is the answer? It is equal to e power minus 2 theta, then minus theta cube plus theta square plus theta plus 1 divided by, here what is the answer? Theta square, theta plus theta cube plus theta square plus theta minus 1. So here dy by dx is equal to this one. So while doing this calculation you have to do it correctly. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.